Hey friends, if you encounter the error, a media driver your computer needs is missing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I'll explain this. People usually encounter this error when they are trying to load an operating system into their computer. Now, ideally, this is supposed to be done through a cloud reset or a normal local reinstall on the system. But if someone prefers a clean install, like using a CD or a DVD or a USB, then that is also an option. But if you encounter this error while doing so, in that case, I suggest you to use a good quality USB disk instead of a CD or a DVD. That is very important because these days CDs and DVDs are actually redundant and they may not be able to take a lot of load. So try that, and if that doesn't work, then use the USB 3.0 port for installation connected to the USB 3.0 port. For your reference, this is what the USB 3.0 port looks like. It is blue in color. The 2.01 is black in color. Okay, the next one is to use a different USB stick because that USB stick might be of low quality and would have a problem. And this is the maximum you can do about it. I mean, there is absolutely nothing else that you can do to fix this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.